What does the matplotlib hold keyword argument do? The hold argument appears in many plotting functions, for example plt.fill_between, plt.arrow, plt.axlen, for import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. I can't find any documentation on it, however. Docs seem to only state additional quargs, hold equals, true vertical bar false, overrides default hold state. This is also a difficult keyword argument to Google for.
It appears to be based on MATLAB's default plotting, which requires hold on to be called in order to add more than one plot on the same graph. The default behavior for matplotlib appears to be for this to be true. Consider which plots both lines on the same graph. If hold is set to false, the next call to plot overwrite the previous. For example,
from the documentation. When hold is true, subsequent plot commands will be added to the current axis. When hold is false, the current axis and figure will be cleared on the next plot command. The value of hold determines if future plots are drawn over the previous ones, or if the figure is cleared before drawing.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.